guys, hope you are doing good. In the community post, I asked you guys what video would you like to watch next. You guys, most of you voted for face wash powder. So here I am, all ready with my pineapple headband. Face wash powders are so much in trend. They are back in trend. I know few Korean brands selling face wash powders at huge price, but you can easily make one at home. I know you guys are super busy and you can't mix those 4 to 5 ingredients to make a face wash powder. Yes, I got you. In this video, you will see only one ingredient face wash powder. You can make your own face wash powder with just one ingredient, which is herbal, which is natural, which you can find in your kitchen. So let's start the video without any further blabbering. So I am talking about this wonderful ingredient called green gram. You can definitely find this at your Indian kitchen. So what you have to do is grab some green gram with your mom's permission and grind it. Grind it so smoothly, guys. Otherwise you would get a scrub consistency. The green gram would not work as a face wash powder but as a scrub. So we don't want that. Okay, so grind it finely, like it is very smooth. Or what you can do is, there are stores or mills that grind whatever you give into a fine powder. So give it at the store. So they will give you finely milled green gram powder just like this one. Or what you can do is buy green gram powder at a store. I bought this from a store for rupees 35. And you can put a little spatula into this. This is an ice cream spoon. You get this as a free whenever you buy ice cream tubs. So you can put that one into this and close the lid. Keep it in your bathroom. Whenever you wash your face, you can use this. So now I'm going to tell you how you can wash your face using this green gram powder. Make sure that your hair is tied up and spray some water onto your face or just wet your face. Make sure that your hands are not wet. With the help of a spoon, take a little bit, maybe half a teaspoon. You will not need more than this. Take it onto your palm. Add some water to make it a paste. Apply this onto your face. So after 30 seconds or a minute of massage, you can wash this off with plain water. Do not use face wash, face cleanser or soap to wash this off. Just use plain tap running water and I will be back. Guys, can you see that? It actually brightened my skin. As you can see, this one, the homemade DIY face wash powder actually brightened my skin. It removed my dull skin, revealing the brighter skin underneath. Technically, it removed my dead skin cells, so it made my skin bright. So this is the result that you can see. This is what I got just from one wash, guys. One thing I noticed and wanted to say is that many store-bought face washes tend to dry out our skin. After washing our face, we have the urge to apply a moisturizer. But after washing my face with this homemade face wash powder, I did not feel that urge to apply my moisturizer. I did not have that feel of dryness on my skin, which is a yay from me. Most of the store-bought face washes in the market dries the skin. In fact, this one moisturized my skin. So good, guys. Try it at least once and see the difference. I'm sure if you try it for once, you will use it for a longer period of time. So this powder retailed for rupees 30 for 50 grams of the product. I will try to link the powder in the description box. You can buy them. So yeah, guys, this is such a wow face wash powder with just one ingredient at 30 rupees. Until then, I will see you in my next video. This is me, Deepti, signing off. Bye-bye. Take care.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.